Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How are you all? This is my day one in Delhi, and there's a news I'll let you know in few seconds. And this is not a very good news. You can see what all products I have purchased from 24/7. All essential things to have, and some sanitizers, Airwick, good night. So these all products I have purchased today in my day one, and. Now I'll tell you what happened to me. Guys, I'm not well and I'm suffering from fever. I went to shopping, as you all know, in 24/7, but I don't know what happened. I went there with full, uh, you know, safety. Even then, I'm suffering from fever. Maybe this is normal fever, and I'm taking full day, full night bed rest. So I'll update you very soon what is going to be happen. So this is the bad news. My studies are, I'm not doing studies, and I'm just taking rest, having kadha. So this is the information I want to tell you guys.